Okay, so Adobe's new terms of service. It's pretty shitty. But I'm not here to get into a debate. There are plenty of places online where you can debate to your heart's content. I'm just here to show you how to opt out of Adobe training its AI on your artwork. Okay, so you're going to go to adobe.com. You're going to sign into your account, just like you normally would, and you're going to click on Manage Account. That'll bring you to this screen where you're going to click on Account and Security up top, and then the Data and Privacy Settings. All right, there's one that says share information on how I use Adobe. You're going to turn that off. Allow my content to be analyzed by Adobe. You're going to turn that off. After that, you're good to go to Photoshop. So we need to open Photoshop 2024. On a Mac, you're going to click Photoshop 2024 Settings. On a PC, you're going to go to Edit Preferences. Then you're going to scroll to Product Improvement. This may be ticked on by default, but you're going to want to turn off. Yes, I'd like to participate. No, I do not want to participate. So this allows Adobe to collect image data, access your cloud documents, and collect information on how we use their software. It says it will not use these images or the associated data for any purpose other than to improve their products, but they have kind of lost the trust of a lot of people. So make your own decisions from here.